Welcome to Cinque Terre! The summer of 2022 will always remain magical for us. It is the time when we spent a week exploring some of the most beautiful parts of Italy. Whether it was the Grand Colosseum, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, the beautiful Florence, or the amazing Vatican City, we were floored by everything. Oh, and don't get me started on the food. I can go back to Italy just to eat the authentic food from Italian chefs. It was that delicious. Just by looking at these clips, trust me, I'm feeling hungry. Ugh. Oh, and how can I forget about gelatos and the super delicious Italian desserts? All said, I think Italy trip has to be a yearly activity from now on. But were we ready to go back because our Italian adventure was over? Not at all.
You know what? Today is our last day in Italy.
And we thought let's do something different and make the most of it.
So after a 3-hour train journey, we are finally at our destination. And
Welcome to Cinque Terre! Cinque Terre means 5 lands. It is a string of 5 seaside medieval villages that are clustered together along the Italian Riviera coastline. The 5 villages of Cinque Terre are not very far from each other. We took a train from Florence to La Spezia Central Station, and the views along the journey did not disappoint us. It was covered with lush and beautiful greenery till as far as our eyes could see. We had to take a second train from La Spezia to any of the 5 villages we wanted to go. We went to Manarola, which is the second of the 5 villages. Our train ride from La Spezia to Manarola was spectacular. The green pastures were replaced by the clear blue water of the Italian Riviera coastline. We reached this beautiful coastside village around lunchtime, and our first thoughts were, wow! Manarola is one of the smallest villages and has a population of fewer than 500 people.
there are 3 things that you can do in each of the 5 villages. Explore the colorful village, enjoy the beach, or go for a hike. You know what? We did all 3. The village was beautiful. The houses were small and colorful, with most of them being Airbnbs or guest houses. Even the locals over here travel from the other nearby cities in the morning and go back in the evening. Almost all parts of the village open up on the Italian coastline, so it has many small beautiful beaches. We relaxed on one such beach for some time, enjoying the cool breeze and the blue water. There were so many people who were climbing up the small cliffs and then jumping off into the ice cold water.
Cinque Terre is also known for its local wines that come from the vineyards which cling to the steep terraces that you see behind me.
Hiking all of a sudden became more attractive because of the Italian vineyards on the top. Armed with my favorite caramel gelato, we started our hiking. Manarola, while a small village, has vineyards literally on the top. Our climb up was long and difficult. So more or less, we've reached the top point, and now the vineyards begin. The view from the top was extremely beautiful. In all honesty, I think the climb was super successful because we got to taste 4 wines from the local vineyards.
No trip to Cinque Terre is complete if you haven't tasted your favorite local wine here.
And just like that, Manarola became the best part of our Italian travel. Our plan this time was to cover one of the 5 villages, and Manarola was amazing.
Right now we are at La Spezia train station and we are waiting for our train to Florence.
We've finally reached Florence. Let's go and grab some dinner. Our final dinner was probably one of my best experiences in Italy. This was a fine dining restaurant with an open kitchen. I ordered their wood burnt pizza while Shivani had their pasta with burrata salad. With this, we ended our night, and the next day we left Italy back for Brussels. I hope you all have enjoyed our Italy travel series. In case you did, please do like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for staying with us. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.